Now, the third one reaction is a very important reaction. This is reaction with sodium carbonate and sodium hydrogen carbonate. The very important reaction. Only the difference you will see that in both the cases same formation will be, but the molecules of the acetic acid will be little bit different from each other in both the cases. So now, when acetic acid decomposes carbonate and bicarbonate, decompose करता है now, so now producing carbon dioxide and releasing also water molecules. बहुत important reaction है. The first one is when ethanoic acid, this is that, reacts with your sodium carbonate. So now it's making the same CH3COO, sodium acetate and carbon dioxide gas, and plus it is also releasing the water molecule. So when the two molecule of acetic acid is going to be react with sodium carbonate, so now it's making, now decompose हो रहा है sodium ethonate, acetate भी you can say that, and carbon dioxide is releasing with water molecule. In the second reaction, when again ethanoic acid, acetic acid is going to react with sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3. This is also known as a sodium bicarbonate. It's also known as a sodium bicarbonate. Both are same. Sometimes the children, they are quite confused about the bicarbonate or the hydrogen carbonate. So now in this case again, the formation of sodium ethonate or sodium acetate, and it is going to be released carbon dioxide with the molecule of the water. So in the first equation, when it is going to be react with sodium carbonate, so it has your two molecules. And why in the next one आपका, so you are looking, this is sodium bicarbonate, it has only the one molecule of acetic acid, but the formation is quite on the right hand side the same. तो ये आपका फर्क है. So please do it.